To transfer Solana from one platform to another, start by opening the Sending Platforms app and navigating to the Accounts section, typically found at the bottom of the screen. From there, click on the relevant option to view your available balance. Next, select the Transfer button and choose the Withdraw option from the resulting pop-up window. You will then be prompted to choose an external wallet, at which point you can add a new wallet address by clicking the link or the plus icon. Select Solana from the list of available cryptocurrencies and choose your network type. You will need to obtain the recipient wallet address, which can be done by opening the receiving platform and clicking the Receive button. Select Solana and copy the wallet address, which is usually found near the Share button. Return to the Sending platform. Paste the wallet address into the designated field, and enter a name for the address before clicking Continue. Click the Withdrawal button next to the newly added wallet. Then confirm and proceed with the withdrawal. You will be asked to enter the amount you wish to transfer, and once you have done so, click Withdraw. The transaction details will be displayed on the screen, so verify that the amount and wallet address are correct before clicking Confirm. You may be prompted to enter a passcode for security purposes. After completing these steps, the Solana will be transferred from the original platform to the recipient platform.